Here we go! Here we go! Yes!
Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source. Radar.
WNPT now. WNPT.
Don't want this FW Dixon. Oh yeah,
WNPT guys now.
son. Go to WNPT.
Be cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
It's weird. It was a fight.
The idea of our house was just
Warning for southeastern Cleveland County in Middle Tennessee.
And it was just like a swamp.
Come on,
I
WNPT.
wasn't ready for humidity.
Yeah, not to
the
start
lack
here.
of like multiculturalism, all the conservative ideas. You saw churches everywhere. I was not ready for it. It was very.
Here we go! Here we go!
WNPT.
And it's relaying too. Dixon, Tennessee.
The National Weather Service in
Here we
Nashville
go.
has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dixon and Burns. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Yeah.